Welcome everyone to the Deep Freeze Dive. My name is Luke.
And I'm Matt.
And we are here in this nice warm hot tub watching some of the questionably unstable people that we have here this weekend jump into the freezing cold lake.
Luke, let's go down and check out some of the action.
Matt, how are you down there and up here at the same time?
Luke, that's the magic power of television.
One thing that people don't think about at the Deep Freeze Dive is the technique for getting into the lake. Sometimes you just walk straight in. Also, you got the run in, and then the very few selected people do the slow sink into the cold water. That's my stunt double. Yeah, being down there isn't part of my union contract.
Smart.
Ooh, they went all in on that one, man.
Yeah, they did.
I give that a 12 out of 10. It's so great to see them all go in together like that.
It's true. It's a real sign of friendship. Ooh, they look cold. Go get warm. Go get warm.
You gotta think they are second guessing their life choices. You know, it is a treacherous walk from the lake back to your cabin, but our fearless participants heed no danger. And that about does it for us here at the Deep Freeze Dive. I'm Luke.
And I'm Matt.
And we will see you next year. You know what's really funny?
What?
I turned off the bubbles a long time ago.